Have you ever wondered how AI could revolutionize the way we create videos? Picture this, a world where the intricacies of video creation, from scripting to editing, are all streamlined by the power of artificial intelligence. This isn't just a figment of our imagination anymore. It's the dawn of a new era in digital content creation. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that's seeping into every facet of our lives, from our smartphones to our cars to our workplaces, and now it's poised to transform the way we create and consume videos. Imagine being able to produce high-quality videos with incredible speed, efficiency, and creativity, all thanks to AI. Imagine a world where AI algorithms could learn your preferences, your style, and then create videos that are not just tailored to your taste, but also continually evolve with you. There's a growing interest in these AI technologies, and for good reason. They hold the transformative potential to revolutionize not just the video creation industry, but also how we share and express ourselves. They could democratize video creation, breaking down the barriers of technical expertise and expensive equipment, and opening up a world of possibilities for anyone with a story to tell. And yet, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI in video creation is vast and untapped. There's an air of intrigue and anticipation surrounding it, a sense of excitement for what's to come. We're on the cusp of a revolution, and it's going to be powered by AI. So where does this leave us? Who's leading the charge in this brave new world of AI video creation? One company stands at the forefront of this AI revolution, and that is Pika Labs. Pika Labs didn't just appear out of thin air. It has an interesting story of inception. Let's take a moment to travel back in time to when Pika Labs was just a glimmer in the eyes of its founders. These visionaries saw the untapped potential of artificial intelligence in video creation and were driven by the desire to harness this power. They dreamed of a world where AI could be used to create, innovate, and inspire. A world where tedious tasks of video editing and production could be streamlined, making video creation accessible to all. The seed of Pika Labs was planted in the minds of these individuals who were not only tech enthusiasts, but also believers in the transformative power of AI. Their shared vision and unyielding dedication served as the foundation of what would soon become a pioneering venture in the realm of AI-powered video creation. The founders, with their diverse backgrounds in technology, media, and entrepreneurship, brought together their collective wisdom and experiences to give life to Pika Labs. Their mission, to revolutionize the world of video creation by harnessing the power of AI. They aimed to create a platform that would not only simplify video creation, but also democratize it, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their technical knowledge or skills. Late-night brainstorming sessions turned into days of meticulous planning, and days turned into months of relentless execution. The team worked tirelessly, fueled by their shared passion and the dream of bringing their vision to life. Despite the inevitable challenges and roadblocks, the team's dedication never wavered. They faced each obstacle with determination, using it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Their unwavering belief in their vision and the potential of AI kept them going, propelling them forward on their journey. And then, after countless hours of hard work and dedication, Pika Labs was born. A platform that embodied the founders' vision of leveraging AI to make video creation simple, efficient, and accessible to all. And so Pika Labs was born, ready to make a mark in the world of AI. The journey of Pika Labs is a testament to the power of innovation and persistence. From the nascent days of its inception, Pika Labs has faced a myriad of challenges, each one paving the way for greater success and innovation. The starting phase was not without its hurdles. Like any pioneering endeavor, establishing a foothold in the competitive world of artificial intelligence was a daunting task. Yet, the team at Pika Labs held steadfast, fueled by their unwavering determination and a shared vision of revolutionizing AI video creation. The first major challenge was developing a sophisticated AI algorithm capable of creating high-quality videos. Pika Labs had to navigate through countless trials and errors, refining and perfecting the algorithm to ensure top-notch video quality. But the unwavering spirit of innovation saw them through these testing times. Success was not far behind. On overcoming these initial obstacles, Pika Labs grew exponentially. The once small startup began to make waves in the AI industry, attracting attention from both industry professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Their AI video creation tool started to evolve, incorporating more features and capabilities and becoming more user-friendly with each update. The team's expertise and dedication to their craft led to several breakthroughs in AI video creation. Pika Labs was the first to introduce the concept of dynamic video creation, an innovative feature that allowed users to create videos that could adapt to different viewing environments. This was a game changer, cementing Pika Labs' position as a front-runner in the AI industry. Over the years, Pika Labs has grown from a small startup to an industry leader, a journey marked by resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. It's a testament to the power of a shared vision and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The challenges they faced only served to fuel their drive, pushing them to constantly innovate and improve. Pika Labs continues to push the boundaries, leading the charge in AI video creation. The journey so far has been remarkable, but it's only the beginning. With every challenge overcome, a new one awaits, and Pika Labs is more than ready to take it on. Here's to the future of AI video creation with Pika Labs at the helm. What does the future hold for Pika Labs? It's a question that sparks curiosity and excitement. As we peer into the crystal ball, we see a future brimming with potential, shaped by Pika Labs' relentless pursuit of innovation in AI. In the near future, Pika Labs plans to expand its horizons, to delve deeper into the realms of artificial intelligence. The company is committed to pushing the boundaries of AI video creation, with the aim of making it more accessible, more user-friendly, and more efficient than ever before. The team is working tirelessly to refine their algorithms, to enhance their machine learning capabilities, and to optimize their software for even smoother performance. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Pika Labs also has its sights set on broader horizons. The company envisions a future where AI plays a central role in all aspects of video production, from scripting and editing to special effects and distribution. They aim to democratize the process, making high-quality video production possible for anyone, anywhere. That's not all. Pika Labs is also deeply committed to the ethical use of AI. They are developing guidelines and mechanisms to ensure that their technology is used responsibly, to protect user privacy, and to prevent misuse. They believe that the benefits of AI should be accessible to all, but not at the expense of our values or our security. Moreover, Pika Labs is keen on fostering a culture of collaboration and open dialogue. They plan to engage more actively with their user community, to listen to their feedback, and to incorporate their insights into their product development process. They believe that this will not only improve their products, but also foster a sense of ownership and belonging among their users. In the long run, Pika Labs aspires to lead the charge in the AI revolution, to shape the future of AI video creation, and to make a meaningful impact on our lives. They are not just building a product, they are crafting a vision, a dream of a future where AI enhances our creativity, empowers us to tell our stories, and brings our imaginations to life. With Pika Labs, the future of AI video creation looks bright indeed. Are you excited about the future of AI video creation with Pika Labs? If the answer is yes, then we have something special in store for you. Pika Labs is not only about creating a revolution in the world of AI video, it's also about engaging with a community of enthusiasts who share a common interest. Join us on this incredible journey. Be part of the revolution by subscribing to our YouTube channel. It's more than just a button click. It's your ticket to a world where AI and video creation blend seamlessly. But subscribing is just the first step. To ensure you don't miss out on any of our content, remember to turn on all notifications. Get updates on the latest advancements, be the first to watch our newest videos, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving domain of AI. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.